Hello, my name is Sharwil Makaran and I'm from 1902. Today we'll be talking about the autonomic nervous system physiology. To start with, uh, we have the peripheral nervous system, uh, which is all the spinal nerves coming out from the spinal cord. They are divided into sensory and motor. These motor are divided into further to autonomic and somatic or somatomotor, which is voluntary, while the autonomic or visceral is involuntary, which is further divided into sympathetic, parasympathetic, and enteric. This enteric nervous system is like it surrounds the GI tract. It's like a mesh network of neurons. Okay, the sympathetic nervous system is from T1 to L2. This is called the thoracolumbar outflow, while the parasympathetic nervous system is craniosacral because it emerges from the cranium and from the pelvic part. So the fibers emerging, parasympathetic fibers emerging in the cranium are from cranial nerves nuclei within the brainstem, from characterized with the third cranial nerve, Edinger-Westphal nucleus, to innervate uh, muscles of the eye for the pupillary reflex. Now we have also the superior and inferior salivatory nuclei, respectively, for the facial and glossopharyngeal nerves. For the, of course, parasympathetic innervation to the glands, salivatory and lacrimal glands. We have also the vagal nuclei, which are parasympathetic, of course, to the heart, lungs, and gut. Of course, there's the pelvic part of the parasympathetic nervous system that emerges from the spinal nerves S2, S3, and S4 to innervate pelvic organs. Okay. Uh, these parasympathetic fibers are mainly characterized that they are preganglionic and postganglionic because they synapse in a ganglion, which is a cluster of cell bodies within the nervous system.
Hello, my name is Annette Abisuku from MA 1902 and in video group 1. So I'm here to also explain the neuroregulation in visceral organs, and I'll continue from where Shabelle ended. And we all know that preganglionic motor neurons from sympathetic nervous systems are short, and the postganglionic neurons are long. So the opposite case is in the parasympathetic nervous system, where the preganglionic nerve fibers are long, and then the postganglionic neurons are actually short. So the ganglionic like the ganglion, which are the group of cell bodies within the CNS, and the parasympathetic ganglions called terminal or intramural ganglia, and the pre and post ganglionic motor neurons. Yeah, so the pre and post ganglionic motor neurons are both cholinergic.